there, let's talk about something every family deals with: budgeting. Sticking to a budget can be tough, right? Unexpected expenses pop up, and let's be real, who hasn't made an impulse buy or two? But don't worry, I've got you covered with some top-notch budgeting hacks to keep your family finances in check. First up, the envelope system. It's old school but gold. You allocate cash for different categories like groceries and entertainment into envelopes. When the money's gone, it's gone. It's a visual and tangible way to control spending. Next, budgeting apps. Apps like Mint and YNAB, you need a budget, can sync to your bank accounts and track your spending in real time. They make budgeting way easier and less time-consuming. Let's not forget meal planning. Planning your meals for the week can drastically cut grocery costs and reduce food waste. Plus, it takes the stress out of what's for dinner every night. Now here's the game changer, the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Users rave about how balanced and manageable it makes their finances. Take Joe, for example. He started using this rule and managed to save for a family vacation in just 6 months. So, let's recap. The envelope system, budgeting apps, meal planning, and the 50-30-20 rule each can help you take control of your finances. Remember, it's about finding what works best for your family. Got your own budgeting hacks? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video on financial planning tips. See you next time.